Playing PUBG Mobile on a larger screen sounds amazing, right? In this tutorial, we will show you the 2 best ways to play this game on a PC. Mobile games can be accessed on PC by using either an emulator or casting applications. Let's see how to do. GameLoop, formerly Tencent Gaming Buddy, was first designed to emulate PUBG Mobile. It's very easy to install and set up on your Windows PC. First of all, visit the official GameLoop website and download the client. Once the download is finished, run the .exe file to install GameLoop. After installation, launch GameLoop on your PC, enter PUBG Mobile on the search bar and search for it. Find PUBG Mobile in the search results and click Install. When the installation is complete, you can start playing the PC version of PUBG. Suppose you want to avoid your PUBG account getting risky and don't want to use the emulator anymore. You have another best option, AirDroidcast, with more flexibility. AirDroidcast is a powerful application that allows you to share your mobile screen on a PC and control the mobile screen from a PC. First, download and install AirDroidcast both on your PC and mobile device, then create an AirDroid account. Open Desktop Client on PC and sign in the account you've created before. If you want to connect your mobile phone to PC wirelessly, choose Wireless and you can use your phone to scan the QR code or input the 9-cast code shown on your computer now. Once connected successfully, your mobile screen will appear on your PC. This option supports the remote connection, even if your devices are located in different cities. You can also choose AirPlay and USB cable to establish the connections. Now click the control icon on the left menu bar of AirDroidcast on your computer to initiate the remote control request. Don't forget to accept the control request on your mobile device. It should be noted that the Android device needs to run Android 7.0 or above. Follow the instructions to complete the configuration, and then you can control your phone screen on the PC. Now you can open PUBG Mobile game and start playing. AirDroidcast allows you to control the screen of your phone from your PC with a mouse and keyboard. This feature brings a lot of fun while playing mobile games on a PC. With the help of AirDroidcast, you don't have to stick to your phone's small screen all day long while eyeing the battery all the time. You can fully enjoy the better experience brought by mirroring your phone to your PC, whether it is full screen mirroring, controlling directly from PC, rotating screen, or mirroring device audio and microphone sound. Last but not less, AirDroidcast also allows you to remotely cast 5 devices' screens simultaneously, which really useful when streaming games. Okay, that's all for today's video. For your convenience, we have leave the download link of AirDroidcast in the description below. If you like this video, don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.